Today we are going to talk about countries who have tax agreements with Turkey. Welcome back to the channel. In case this is your first time here, my name is David. I'm the owner-founder of a real estate agency called Aegean Locations, and we are focused on the most beautiful areas of Turkey, named Izmir, Çeşme and Alaçatı. What are double taxation treaties? Double taxation treaties are conventions between two countries in order to eliminate double taxation of income or gains. Double taxation treaties in Turkey. In a lot of cases, if there is tax paid in another country, you are not liable to pay tax again in Turkey. In total, 82 countries have this agreement with Turkey in order to avoid double taxation. We put a link in the description so you can see exactly which 82 countries are included in this treaty. If you have any tax-related questions, do not hesitate to contact us for a consultation. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next episode. Bye bye.